Mixed reactions as pastor reportedly sues Kanye West for sampling sermon in his song Donda without permission.
Oh, my God.
Popular American rapper Kanye West has been taken to court by a pastor in the U.S., David Paul Moten. The lawsuit revealed Kanye is being charged for using a part of a religious sermon in his song Come to Life without seeking permission. This has stirred reactions on social media as many dragged the pastor and questioned if the rapper was not equally spreading the word of God. Well, sometimes. Sometimes I think that's what he's doing.
He tries.
Other times he's doing other things.
Right.
70 seconds of the sermon. Should I recognize this? Would I know? I would know this if I heard this, but you obviously can't play it. Then we'd be sampling the sermon. We'd be getting sued ourselves.
We get the
By
next
the
one.
pastor.
Yeah. TMZ says the pastor is suing UMG Recordings, Def Jam Recordings, and Good Music over the song. Well, you sue them all because somebody's going to settle with you and be like, shut up, please. Here's your money. I'm surprised they wouldn't clear it. Wouldn't be too hard, would it? I always feel like these are big operations that they could just, so many people working there, you'd be like, go clear the sample. Someone would do it. But then again, when he was doing the Donda stuff, it seemed like everything was changing every 5 minutes.
Yeah.
To like, now he's in the stadium in Atlanta living there.
Finishing his song, he won't leave.
The record is different than it was before. And you're just
Then
like,
he has beef with Drake.
yeah, I guess it's a moving target, but apparently this sermon amounts for more than 20% of the 5-minute track. That's quite a bit of the sermon.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, I don't know.
20% of the track of the final
The
finished
song
product?
is this pastor's sermon. But here's some of the responses. Wow, anything for money. Yeah, religion can be funny. Isn't it about spreading the word? Spreading the world? The word of God? Spreading to the world, maybe? Why is complaining always like that? Missing words.
Incorrect.
Yeah. You're just the rage. Is it his word or your word? Here's another comment. What happens when people are bored? And another one. What a lame lawsuit. And another one. If true, surely the pastor would turn the other cheek and forgive Kanye. That's like a religious reference. The turning of the cheek. I don't know.
Should be honored. The pastor should be honored.
Yeah, I don't know if the lawyers are going to turn the other cheek on this one. By the way, what is this news source, Will? Legit.ng. Go ahead, Will. Go ahead.
So legit.
Well, it's like TMZ is the source. So I'm guessing, it is real.
This is a Nigerian website.
Yeah.
I like the fact that your news sources have expanded.
Yeah, I like to keep up to date.
That's pretty
everywhere.
cool. That's pretty cool. It's just, go back, I read in the top right, get the hottest stories from the largest news site in Nigeria. Free subscription. Will he do subscribe?
Nice.
He's not missing whatever those top stories happen to be. Good for you.